What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? Ain't nobody but Sumi Sue, about to do this hair do for you. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boo. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have another beauty. She is a water wave unit and she is gorgeous. She's gorgeous. I remember when I first started doing hair videos, like what they're doing with wigs now. We've all come a long way. The influencers have come a long way and the hair companies have come a long way in really upgrading and, you know, taking a lot of the work out of it for us, because it is so easy the way they do these units now. They're just so good. Let's get into it. Today's unit is by UNICE. You guys are no strangers to UNICE on my channel. They have some of the most beautiful hair, well constructed at affordable prices. The unit I have on is a 7x5, so you get a lot of lace. It almost looks like a frontal. From temple to temple is lace. You get a lot of parting space. This did come middle part, and this came with baby hairs. There is an option to not have the baby hairs if you didn't want to. This is the Bye Bye Knots unit. It is water wave and it is a pre-everything, pre-bleached, pre-pluck, pre-cut, ready to go. It also has my fave, the drawstring in the back. Ooh, the drawstring in the back is a game changer. I can't say it enough. I'm gonna continue to say it. The drawstring in the back is a must-have in these units nowadays because it just gives the most perfect wear. It's amazing. This unit also came with a thinner band, and the band was actually stitched in. You know, like the regular bands that you have inside the unit that with the little hook and everything. It's a band like that, but it's with the adjustable system, and that is also amazing because when I put this on, the tension that it already gave, and it's stitched in, like I said, the tension it gave, like, amazing. And the fact that it was thinner, like, I like that as well because it's just making it a lot more discreet, especially if you want to do updos and all of that good stuff. Doing updos, I'm going to show you in the video a few styles with this unit, because curly unit and these drawstring units and these 7x5 units, like, they're so easy because you don't have to stick this down if you didn't want to. I did go in and melt the lace a little bit because I want that flawless look. But if you were in a pinch, if you were in a rush and you just needed to put it on and go, just put a little tint in there, if anything, if it's not to your par, and you're good to go. It is so beautiful on, like, it just melts right into our scalp and it looks so good. I love the baby hairs on it. I didn't think it was too much. I did go in and remold them to fit me, but yeah, the hair is stunning. I love this, and it's full. Like, look at how full she is. I did brush her out. I added some more water and I added mousse to it, and I did use my diffuser. You will see all of that further down in the video, but the hair is gorgeous. Did I tell you the length? She is 24 inches coming down to the bust area. Like, I love this. Now, when it comes to curly units like this, I tend to not want to cut it. Get the words out. I tend to not want to cut it because this is just beautiful like this. It's giving naturalness in the best way. And I don't like to fully mold down my part area. I like a little bump in there. So I love a good water wave unit that is just going to, like, breathe life into my look without me having to try too hard. I love that. Anyways, check out UNICE. Everything will be linked in the description box for you. Let's just get right on into the video.
You're special and you're reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she's my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gun, one shot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh no 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 no.
Alright y'all, so that is it for this hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. She's very versatile. You just need a little bit of practice and patience, and you can do so much with this unit. I feel really happy with this unit. I love this, and I'm going to be wearing this a lot during the autumn and winter season because it's just one of those units that's easy. Wavy curly hair is just always easy to put on, and you look good right out the bat compared to like straight hair. Straight hair is still good, but you need to put in a little bit of work. For example, if it's not fully straight, you need to straighten it. If you're wearing curls in it, you need to curl it. This is just ready to go. You get what I'm saying? It's just easy. It's one of my favorite styles. Anything wavy, any hair that comes naturally curly a little bit, like I absolutely love this. This is one of those units that I cannot stress enough you need in your collection. If you don't have one, you need to get one. Y'all saw what I did with it, and it looks amazing, you know, like it looks amazing down, it looks amazing up, it looks amazing styled. Like it's just one of those textures that is always going to get you right no matter what. It's just easy, too easy. And if you were to curl this, it's going to hold a curl because it's already wavy. I always say that wavy hair always hold curls better than straight hair, trust me. So make sure you go ahead and get yours, girl. Get yours for the winter and autumn. All of this on you, it's going to keep you warm. Your head is going to be warm, your back is going to be warm, your neck is going to be warm. So make sure you go ahead and get this. 10 out of 10, I do recommend. Y'all already know if it's not good hair, it doesn't make it on hair. Yeah, so that's it. Make sure you check out UNICE. Everything will be linked down below for you. And shout outs to UNICE for sponsoring today's video. Love them down. Bad. Okay. Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. Give the video a thumbs up, it helps me out. Share the video because sharing is caring. If you know somebody out there just wonky and janky and not getting it together, that's what I'm here for, and that's what you're here for. If you're seeing this video, you need to help a friend, okay? Listen, I love y'all. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon on the next one.
Glamorous, 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 ooh, flouncy, flouncy, glamorous.